Alright guys, here is a quick update on the Z71, the 2000 Silverado. I pulled the motor, rebuilt everything in it. Everything's brand new except for the pistons and the crank. Straight headers, poured and polished heads. Got 862 heads on it. Factory injectors. That intake sure was ugly, that truck intake, so I had to take that out and shave it down. It works pretty well. You know, we got that cold air intake. Got factory coils. Still got the manual fan. Need an electric fan on here. There should be, you know, a turbo sitting over here, but there's not at the moment yet. Factory wheels, tires, transmission is the gears and everything is stock. It does have a 2500 stall converter in there. I'm the second owner. My dad actually bought it with 3 miles on it, so it's been in the family. Probably will never get rid of it. Chromoly Pushrods, LS7 roller lifters. I think that's it that I did to it. It's been a little while. If I left anything out, I'll definitely leave it in the description, so check that out. I did take out the factory shifter because that was no fun at all. Put a B&M Pro Stick in here. I haven't seen very many Silverados with that. Had to fabricate a bracket for that to go around the air conditioning vents for the middle console, because gotta have air conditioning down here in the south. It gets 110 degrees and it still works perfectly fine. I mean, it's in pretty good condition to have, I think, 315,000 miles on it. So I think I got everything covered. Just got it tuned. The guy did not do anything to the torque management, so it doesn't like to spin tires very much. Unfortunately, I want to roast these things off. We're going to put a 2-step on one of these switches, and I don't know what I'm going to do to the other switch yet. So yeah, we have 2 little switches on there. So let's crank it up and see if it runs. It's pretty loud. I need an exhaust. Other people think, but I don't. It might start up. that's all for now, I guess. We need some street slicks all the way around it. And I want to update the fans. I want some electric fans, injectors, turbo. I need to get the transmission built. So we'll do a driving video next. Comment below if y'all want to see a driving video. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. And that should be it for now. Thanks for watching.